everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Have you ever deleted your text messages on your Android phone and wished you could have it back? If so, you have visited the right place. Today I will be helping you to learn how to get back your text messages even after you have deleted it on your Android phone. Before jumping right into our video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. To recover your deleted text messages on your Android device, you'll need to download an app. Go to your Play Store and search for SMS Backup and Restore. Once you find the app, click Install, and after it is done, go to the app and click it Open. Now tap on Get Started and allow the app to access to your contacts. Now after it is done, to create your first backup, tap on Set up a backup. Choose which data you would like to backup, either it is messages or call history. You can choose both if you wish to. Click Next and choose where you'd like to store your backups. You can either store it in the Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, or simply to your phone. Tap Next. Do not remind me again and click Yes. Now you can choose how frequently you want to back up your data, whether it is daily, weekly, or hourly, so that you won't have to remember to back up your data in the future. Choose any one. I'm going to choose this and click to Backup Now. Your backup is completed. And after that, your data are backed up. After you've backed up your data, even if you accidentally delete your messages or call history, you can restore it. Now, to restore, go to the app again and tap the menu icon on the top left corner. From the menu, tap on Restore. Now select the backup you'd like to restore your messages from. Then tap the Restore button. Click OK. And tap Yes to use SMS Backup and Restore instead of messages as your default. Set as default. Your messages is being restored. Your restoration process is completed. Tap on Close after you see this. Your deleted text messages are restored again. Hope you liked the video. If you think this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again with another tutorial video.